Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I want to show you how to copy an auto-updating table from Calc to Writer. Let's start right away. I prepared a small table with a little bit of formatting, and we will use the standard copy and paste to copy the table to the Writer side. So we select the table, we press Ctrl C, we go to the Writer side and press Ctrl V. As you can see, the table transferred but without any formatting. If I change any values on the Calc side, like this one, it does not reflect on the Writer side. Now we'll try to copy the table together with the formatting. We select the table again, we press Ctrl C, we go to the Writer side, and then we go to Edit, and now we select Paste Special. And in Paste Special, we select Hypertext Markup Language, HTML. We press OK, and we see that the table transferred together with the formatting. But if we change values in the table, like here, it still does not reflect on the Writer side. For the table auto-updating in Writer, we have to use another Paste Special function. So we copy the table again, and then we go to Writer, Edit, Paste Special, and from the option menu we select Dynamic Data Exchange, DDE link. We hit OK. So now we have a table in Writer, and if we select a value in Calc and change it, it will reflect after some time in LibreOffice Writer. The only problem now is that the formatting did not transfer to the Writer side, and I could not find a solution for this problem. This concludes our video about copying an auto-updating table from Calc to Writer. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have a solution for the formatting problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.